Welcome, and thank you for joining me today. Finding time like this isn't easy, but is so worth it. This is your time. A few minutes, just for you. Do you ever feel rushed in the morning and struggle to stay focused throughout the day? This 10-minute morning meditation for focus and productivity will help you start your day with clarity, calm, and energy. In just 10 minutes, we'll guide you through a simple morning meditation that boosts your focus, clears stress, and sets a positive tone for your day. Most mornings feel chaotic. The alarm jolts us awake. Our phones pull us into notifications. And before we've even had breakfast, stress is already in control. Distractions, fatigue, and lack of focus quickly take over, leaving us drained before the day even begins. Instead, let's reset. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale clarity. Exhale distraction. Notice the sensation of your breath moving through your body. When you feel grounded, set a simple intention for today. Maybe productivity, patience, or energy. Whatever it is, hold it in your mind as you breathe. Stay here, breathing naturally, letting your focus sharpen. Imagine the rising sun filling you with clarity, purpose, and productivity. Each breath brings energy. Each exhale releases distraction. You are ready for the day. With consistent practice, this meditation builds lasting focus, improves clarity, and helps you approach challenges with calm confidence. You'll feel more patient, more productive, and more in control of your mornings. Take this focus with you today. Allow your body to relax, your breath to slow, and your mind to soften. You've arrived in a space of peace, a place where healing, growth, and inner calm can unfold. Each breath you take brings you deeper into balance, releasing tension and opening your heart. This is your sanctuary, your reset, your reminder that you are safe, you are present, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out gently. Again, inhale fully, filling your lungs with fresh energy. And exhale, softening your body with every breath. Now, let's begin a simple body scan. Bring your awareness to the very top of your head, the crown. Imagine a soft, warm light resting there. With each inhale, feel this light expand. With each exhale, feel any tension begin to release. Slowly guide your attention downward, across your forehead, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Notice if you're holding on to tightness here. Breathe in. Feel energy flowing to that space. Breathe out and consciously let it dissolve. Continue scanning downward into your neck and shoulders. These areas often carry stress. Allow them to soften. Imagine the energy melting like warm sunlight on your skin. Now, bring your awareness to your arms. Feel the weight of your arms resting naturally. Notice a gentle energy dancing through your fingertips. A tingling flow that reminds you you're alive. You are present. Shift your focus into your chest. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath, rising and falling. With each inhale, imagine fresh life filling your chest. With each exhale, imagine any heaviness being released. Now, gently notice your stomach. Maybe you sense small butterflies, a gentle flutter of energy. Allow this feeling to be there. Acknowledge it without judgment. With your breath, let the energy soften and move freely. Guide your awareness down through your hips, your legs, your knees, and finally to your feet. Feel the solid connection of your body to the earth. Imagine roots grounding you, steady and strong. Take one last, deep, nourishing breath in, and exhale fully. Your whole body is now relaxed, awake and present. You've scanned from head to toe, dissolving tension and bringing light to each part of yourself. This is mindfulness, being here in this moment. Now, repeat after me, either out loud or silently in your head. I'm going to have a great day. I'm calm, clear, and ready for what lies ahead. I'm going to be focused, present, and centered in everything I do. I will achieve my goals with confidence and ease, taking one step at a time. I'm going to be productive, using my energy wisely, and creating results that matter. I'm going to enjoy my day fully, finding joy in small moments, gratitude in challenges, and peace in every breath. As we come to the end of this practice, take a moment to notice how you feel. Breathe in gratitude for the time you've given yourself, and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Carry this sense of calm, love, and presence with you into the rest of your day. Remember, self-love is not just a practice, it's a way of living. Whenever you need to return to this space, know that it's always here for you. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you are deeply loved. And if this helped, share your experience in the comments. For more 10-minute meditations for wellness, focus, and productivity, check out the playlist linked here. Thank you so very much.